We are headed to Beijing.
Here, hold on, let's do it like this. Like we can back up and then I'm gonna like say, let's go to Beijing. Okay, ready? Let's go to Beijing. Almost missed it.
First business, this is us. Just kidding. Economy, this is us. Yeah.
Nice.
I'll just sit here until we're situated. Maybe we got our own row, that would be nice.
The seats are nice.
Yeah.
It says Wi-Fi. I wonder if there's
Check.
So I think from Hong Kong to Beijing is 3 hours. Is that
Yeah.
right? So yeah, about 3 hours. Oh yeah, it does say Air China. I wonder if it'll work the whole flight.
Nice. We can make TikToks.
You've never made a TikTok in your life.
I know, I'm gonna start now that we got Air China Wi-Fi.
Specifically on this plane?
Yeah.
Okay.
We can make TikToks live on board. I can live stream the entire flight.
It's quality entertainment.
I got my blanket.
You gotta be asleep in like 5 seconds.
So,
下方出口通道请勿摆动，禁止随意拉动应急出口手段。
Oh, actually, the Wi-Fi does work.
Does it?
Yeah. Air China, free Wi-Fi.
got this nice piano music playing.
It's nice.
Yeah.
转柜台和你正式相会。祝您在北京愉快一天。No problem. Until 只是到下一座小姐。Please attend a pleasant opening.
Bye, thank you. Bye, you too.
Made it. It's an easy flight. We are officially on the Beijing Metro, headed to the town.
To the town.
To the town of Beijing. Headed to the main town.
City?
Yeah, the downtown city. This is a nice train. It's the what?
It's the Airport Express train. Yeah, I think it was 25.
25 yen a piece.
Is it yen?
No, it's yuan. It's
Yuan. 25 yuan a piece.
CNY is a piece. 25.
Which is like, what in dollars?
$3.
$3 a piece.
And I think then we have to transfer one time.
Yeah.
How was your trip in so far?
Is this like a formal interview?
Yeah.
I mean, I've been here for about 5 minutes, but good.
Is this better or worse than you expected?
I mean, I guess I would say better. Like, coming in was like everything was fine, and immigration was like 30 minutes to get through. So, in the airport, Beijing capital is nice. So, better.
You heard it here first. Better than expected.
Whoa. Look at this metro station. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Whoa. This is so cool. Look at this. It's like golden and red. I feel like I'm in a museum, not a metro station. I think you have to put it in.
Trying to see how many minutes it says.
I think it said like every 3 minutes or something. It's pretty fast.
2:25.
All right. We have made it out of the metro. I think we have like a 10-minute walk to our hotel. What is your first immediate thought?
It is really nice here. That was my first thought.
First thought?
It kind of reminds me of a U.S. city. What's your first thought?
Bold statement. My first thought, well, of course now it's different because this trash truck is right here, but my first thought is it is so quiet. It is so quiet. I don't know if a lot of the cars are electric or something. And yeah, it's quiet. Weather is beautiful. It's nice. It's green.